Welcome back to ASM Motor Group. Today, 7 things about how your car actually works and why each one matters wherever you drive.
How a hybrid decides which engine to use. A full hybrid carries both a motor and an engine, and a computer choosing between them by the millisecond. Motor from rest and in traffic, engine at speed. Both when you demand everything. You never plug it in the engine, and the brakes refill the small battery. That is why hybrids shine in stop-start cities and gain far less on a long motorway run.
What a turbocharger actually does. Exhaust gas leaving the engine spins a turbine, that turbine spins a compressor on the same shaft. And the compressor crams more air into the cylinders. More air means more fuel can burn, which means more power. It is free energy from waste heat, which is why almost every small engine now has one. The delay you feel is the turbine taking a moment to spin up.
LFP and NMC, two very different batteries. LFP uses iron and phosphate, is cheaper, lasts more cycles, and is happy being charged to 100%. NMC uses nickel, manganese and cobalt, holds more energy per kilogram, and prefers to sit around 80. This is why the advice differs by car, and not by brand. Check which chemistry is under your floor before following any charging rule you read online.
A plug-in hybrid only wins if you plug it in. A plug-in carries a bigger battery, enough for a short daily commute on electricity alone, and an engine for anything longer. Never charged, it is a heavier, thirstier ordinary car. The whole case for one collapses without a plug where it sleeps.
What battery degradation really looks like. Batteries lose a few percent quickly in the first year, and then settle into a very slow decline. Heat and sitting at a very high or very low charge age them far more than mileage does. A pack parked in the sun at 100% all summer ages faster than one driven every day. And kept in the middle. Storage state matters more than distance.
Why 800-volt cars charge quicker. Power is voltage times current. Double the voltage and you can move the same power with half the current, which means less heat in the cables and in the battery. That is the whole trick behind the cars that add hundreds of kilometers in 15 minutes. Heat is the limit on charging, and higher voltage makes less of it.
Why a diesel filter blocks on short trips. Diesel traps soot in a filter and burns it off once the exhaust is hot enough, which takes a sustained run. Only ever driving a few minutes never gets it there. The soot builds until the car complains. This is the most common reason a healthy diesel ends up in a workshop. It is entirely a usage problem. That's how it works. ASM Motor Group, the engineering behind the cars everyone drives. Subscribe and we'll take apart another one tomorrow.